Ahoy everybody! So this is how the roof looked like before the renovation or reconstruction or how you wanna call it. It was not in very good shape. No wonder actually, because it was around 80 years old. The roof tiles were covered in moss and they were cracking a lot. It would only cause problems in the future. Here the guys already got rid of the old tiles. They ripped out the old roof buttons and they started nailing new buttons with foil underneath. Now the roof is completely covered with foil and all the roof buttons are in place. They just have to cut off the edges and the roof is ready for new tiles. As you can see, they started laying new roof tiles. Also the rain gutters are partially installed and they are continuing. And this is the finished roof. Everything brand new, all work is done. They managed to finish it in 6 days. I believe they've done a great job considering the roof has 500 square meters. Okay, let's see some before and afters. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Ciao.